शालिनी, जो अभी जहान ने कहा that that I am who I am. I'm not someone that I'm not defined by what others think of me. Have you've spoken about dealing with that sort of an identity crisis in both Hindi cinema and South?
I have
हाँ
said that.
हाँ मतलब जैसे
Okay.
that the roles that you
Better
wanted
noted.
to do weren't really coming to you.
Really? I've
Yeah.
never said that. No, I must have said that I've played a certain kind of characters because I started with Arjun Reddy.
Yeah.
And those were the kind of characters that were offered to me after that. Uh, but also, I was also trying to discover myself as an actor because I don't have anyone in my family who's from the acting background. So for me also to, after Arjun Reddy, to understand who I am as an actor was a journey till now. So yeah.
So in case of when you made your first appearance in a Hindi film,
Right.
or when you did Jayesh Bhai Jordar,
Right.
it released during a time when the pandemic was there and it didn't really release it was a very limited shelf life.
Right.
Do you now look back at that and think that it could have been a different journey had it released in theaters and had its fair share in the sun?
No.
No.
I think everything has its own destiny. I do think I don't have any control over something. I think my job, and Jayesh Bhai did teach me that my job is to go, and also that reminded me that I was an actor because I want to be an actor and I like being an actor on set. I discover things on set. उसके बाद ना मेरा कोई कंट्रोल नहीं है. मेरा काम है सेट पे आना, मस्ती करना, मज़े करना. That's the reason I became an actor. Otherwise, I was doing engineering. I could have taken a job, but मुझसे नहीं हुआ. And this is what I want to do. After that, we all hope that whatever we've made, people resonate with it, people like it, people love it. But सिर्फ हम वो hope कर सकते हैं. उसके बाद हमारे पास कोई control नहीं है. So I don't sit with things like that. I don't regret it. I think Jayesh Bhai had its own journey. And it was a beautiful film, and now we are here with Band Wale. I'm very excited. I'm playing some character called Mariam that's very close to my lived experience. So I feel I'm only grateful. Yeah.
In fact, first time we met and we were narrating it to her, she was like wide-eyed, and I was wondering why she's wide-eyed, and she said, "This girl sounds like me." Correct?
Yeah, because uska journey he in a very. I remember he was telling me the character graph, and उसके बाद उन्होंने पूछा, you should, I think, if I'm not wrong, he asked me, you tell your story, what's your story, something like that. And then I was telling him my story. I was like, it's pretty similar to what I have gone through. I've also been in Jabalpur. I have also been an ambitious person. I was trying to find my own voice, and so is Mariam. So for me to resonate with Mariam was very easy.
और स्कूटी भी बहुत तेज चलाती है.
स्कूटी भी बहुत अच्छी चलाती हूँ. So yeah.